Hello and welcome. I'm going to teach you how to enable projecting to this PC buttons. I need to connect my mobile phone to my computer and I can't do that if this button is disabled. As you could see, mine is disabled. So in order to enable this button, you need to make sure that your computer is connected to the internet. From this window, go all the way to the Start button, then Settings, then click Apps. Then after you click Apps, choose Clip App and Feature, and then you go to click Optional Feature. From Optional Features, then click the plus sign button that says Add a Feature. Then type inside the box wireless display. It would be displayed, then tick the box that would display on the left side. Wait for it to be installed. Now let's check if it's already displayed. Caramba! Yes, it is! Please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Thank you!